Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have the vintage linens downloads that are printables that are added to the Spring Blossoms digital printable kit. And these naturally would be 8.5 by 11. They are PDF, but I was able to print them in 5 by 7. So this is one that you'll get, and it's the edge of the table linen. Okay. And then another one is the top of the flower basket. I thought this would be kind of cute, like on a pocket or something. So there's that one. And I printed 3. So this one I printed in the 3.5 by 5 size. And I just printed 2 because I accidentally printed 1 on that side. And then the next one is the heart. Okay, again, you'll have the choice to be 8.5 by 11. And then in your printing program, you should be able to change it to like 5 by 7. This would be actually kind of might be pretty on the cover of a book. So there's the heart. And this is what happened when my internet turned off. But I'll use those. And then this is the basket. And this is a beautiful vintage table runner. And so I thought this was really fun because it matched the whole theme with the basket of flowers. And so there you go. So you have the basket, the heart, the top of the basket, so just the flowers. You see a little bit of the basket there, but just mainly the flowers. And then the lace edging, the crocheted lace edging. So I hope you enjoyed this and are looking forward to the digital download kit, our digital printable. So the whole thing will be those 4 and then the 4 postcards, and you get those in the different sizes. So this is the 8.5 by 11. This is when you print it 5 by 7, 5 by 7. This is what you get when you print 4 of the 3.5 by 5 or 3 by 5. So 4 of those, imagine that. And this is when you print the wallet size. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you tomorrow, 4 o'clock p.m. My Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. Have a great day. Bye.